Hi, this is Rakesh Roy, you watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to open run in Windows 11. So in this video, we will show you three methods. So let's start. So we are on Windows 11 desktop right now. So this is the first method. Right click on Start menu. Now click on Run. It will open the run. From here we can run any command, just like CMD and OK. It is working fine. So now second method, click here and search run, and from here also you can open run. So this is also working fine. And third method is, if you press window key plus R, it will open the run. So thanks for watching. If you have any other method, please share, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.